All right, here's an example. We want to find the average value of the cube root of x on the interval 1 to 8. X goes from 1 to 8. So remember the formula that came out to 1 over b minus a integral a to b f of x dx. It makes some kind of sense. It's adding up all the values of f of x. That's the integral, the infinite number of values added together, and then dividing by the distance, b minus a. But to make it really make sense, you have to go back through to the data points we were talking about and the derivation of that formula. All right, so now that you've got the formula, all you have to do is remember it. And the hardest thing about it is that it's easy to forget that part out front, the 1 over b minus a. But you've got to, when you find the average, you do have to divide by the total. And that's what we're going to think of that as, dividing by the total. So 1 over 8 minus 1, and then integral 1 to 8 cube root of x dx. And that's a fairly easy integral to work. Make it a fractional power, 1/3, then raise and divide it, so 4/3, and then dividing by 4/3 is 3/4. 1 over 8 minus 1 turned into 1/7. I plug in an 8 and a 1. So 8 to the 4/3, of course you can do it on a calculator, but it's not that hard to do by hand if you remember that you're allowed to take the cube root and then to the 4th power. It doesn't matter which order you do it in, so you might as well do the root first. That's easier. So you get the cube root of 8, and that's 2 to the 4th power, 16. Well, 1 to any power is 1. So you get 16 minus 1. And 15 times 3 is 45 over 28. So that's the official average value of that function, cube root of x over the closed interval 1 to 8.